guys, this is like how to stop your hiccups, right?
Yes.
He had a hiccup, and then I'm like, I have a sour warhead.
He was just joking.
And then he just look. I'm like, and he's like, nothing happened. Then a little bit, he's like, it's really gone, and now he doesn't have any hiccup. I'm eating the middle part. It's not sour, but the outside part, it's sour. It stings. So
Yeah.
there's three methods how to stop hiccups. First one,
Eat a warhead.
eat a warhead. Second, you like
Put cold water under your tongue
yeah,
for around 15 seconds.
and then the hiccup will go. Third method, you have to like swallow your breath 3 times.
No, swallow
So
air.
I mean swallow air 3 times, and then
Wait 15
Wait.
seconds. Wait 1 minute.
wait 1 minute, and then what?
Then the hiccup will go.
And then the hiccup will go. What is it? What did you say?
That's it.
What's the third method? I forgot.
The one that I just told you.
Yeah, I forgot. What is it?
Whatever. If you can't do it for a whole minute, if you can't hold your breath for a whole minute, do it 30 seconds twice. That's it.
Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe and
Share, like, comment.
peace.
Salam alaikum.